Okay, right. Next one is the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. Okay, now this is the last one and most important one. Okay, now here first of all I am writing the definition. The electrostatic force of attraction. The electrostatic force of attraction. The electrostatic force of attraction in between hydrogen atom and more electronegative atom. Electronegative atom is called hydrogen bonding. Okay, na star is nothing but hydrogen bonding. Okay, na the force of electrostatic attraction. Okay, na here the force of electrostatic attraction present in between the hydrogen atom and one of the more electronegative atom is considered as a hydrogen bond. Okay, na for example here I am taking the more electronegative atom. Okay, na here the nitrogen is the more electronegative than that of the hydrogen and more electronegative than that of the hydrogen, oxygen also, and next one fluorine. Nitrogen, fluorine, oxygens are more electronegative than that of the hydrogen. Okay, now here the hydrogen bond denoted by, okay, now hydrogen bonding indicated with hydrogen bond indicated with the dotted lines. Okay, now dotted lines. Hydrogen bond indicated with the dotted lines. Okay, now like this manner, dot dot dot. Okay, in between the hydrogen and in between the more electronegative atom. Or some books may mention the dash also. Okay, na you can accept both. Okay, na right. Here the hydrogen bonding is the two types of hydrogen bondings are there. First is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Second one is the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. First of all I am discussing about the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, here I am writing the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, here this is the first one. Okay, na intermolecular, in between the molecules. Okay, na inter means in between the, intermolecular means in between the molecules. Okay, na here the hydrogen bond formed between the one molecule containing hydrogen atom, another molecule containing electronegative atom is called, okay na, is called what? Is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay na, star, I am writing star means intermolecular hydrogen bonding. For example, let us take, okay, here hydrogen is there, HF is the hydrogen fluoride molecule. Okay, now here I am taking here another hydrogen fluoride molecule. Okay, now one molecule, this is the one molecule, this is the second molecule, in between the first molecule containing the more electronegative atom and the second molecule containing the hydrogen, the bond formation takes place. This bond is considered as a intermolecular hydrogen bond. This is the first example, and I am taking another example also. Okay, here another example, H2O. Okay, now H2O, it can be also written as HOH. Here HOH. Okay, now here one molecule containing the high electronegative atom and another molecule containing the hydrogen atom. Here the force of attraction arises, that is nothing but intermolecular hydrogen bonding. I am going to next one, second one. Okay, na second one, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding, which is considered as a intra in between the within a molecule. Intra means within a molecule hydrogen bond arises, that is considered as a intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, now the hydrogen bond formed between within a molecule containing hydrogen atom and more electronegative atom is called what? Is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The example is the most important one. Okay, now I am writing here example. Here I am taking the benzene ring. Okay, now upon the benzene ring OH group is there. The name of the compound is considered as a phenol. Okay, now this is the benzene ring. Upon the benzene ring OH group is there. Okay, now the name of the compound is the phenol. Okay, now here the adjacent position. Okay, now OH adjacent positions are called as a ortho position. At ortho position nitro group is there. Okay, now ortho position nitro group is there. Okay, now here ortho position nitro group is there. Here this is the one molecule. Within the molecule, in between the hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen bond formation takes place. This bond is considered as the intramolecular hydrogen bond. The name of the compound is, okay, it is a phenol. Phenol, ortho position nitro is there. That's why ortho nitro, phenol. This is the example for the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, na? Note it down.